Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your math teacher and I welcome you all to the HHS recorded session. Let's begin with dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. May Allah enhance our knowledge. This is your guided assignment of grade 3. Our today's topic is addition. There are two ways of solving a question: horizontal way and the vertical way. In the horizontal way, we write a question like this. We always start adding from the right hand side, which is ones. We'll add the ones first. Here we have 1 1 and 4 ones. 1 plus 4 will make 5 ones. Then we will add tens. We have 3 tens and 2 tens. 3 plus 2 will make 5 tens. Then we will add hundreds. We have 2 hundreds and 100. 2 plus 1 will make 3. So here we have got the answer 355. The other way is the vertical way. In the vertical way, we write the question like this, and we always start adding from the ones, which is right hand side. 2 plus 4 will make 6. We have 6 ones. Then we will add tens. 6 plus 2 is 8. We got 8 tens. Then we will add hundreds. 4 plus 3 is 7 hundreds. So the answer is 786. We can also add the numbers by using the number discs. Here we have a question: add 244 and 122. Let's add it. We have 4 ones and we have 2 more ones. 4 plus 2 will make 6. Then we will add tens. We have 4 tens and we have 2 more tens. 4 plus 2 will make 6. We got 6 tens. Then we will add hundreds. We have 2 hundreds and we have 1 more hundred. 2 plus 1 will make 3 hundreds. So here we have got the answer 366. And this is without regrouping. Without regrouping means that we have not carried any number to the tens side or hundred sides. Let's solve another question. Add 245 and 138. We'll start adding from ones. We have 5 ones and we have 8 more ones. 5 plus 8 altogether will make 13. So here we'll write 3 ones and 1 10 will be carried to the tens side. So here you can see we have carried 110 to the tens side. Now we will add hundreds. We have 2 hundreds and we have 1 more hundred. 2 plus 1 will make 3 hundreds. So the answer is 373. And this is with regrouping. With regrouping means that we did carry a number to the tens side. When we carry a number to the tens or hundred side, that is known as with regrouping. Let's solve another question. What is the sum of 5099 and 348? Students, do you know the meaning of sum? What does the sum mean? Sum is the total When you add two numbers, you get the total. So that is the sum. We have to follow certain steps. Step number 1 is add the ones. 9 ones plus 8 ones will make 17 ones. So we have to regroup 17 ones into 110 and 7 ones. Let's regroup it with the help of the number disk. So here we have 9 ones and 8 more ones. It will make 17. So we will carry forward 110 to the tens side. Step 2. Add the tens. We have carried 110. So 110 plus 9 tens plus 4 tens. Altogether they are making 14 tens. We will regroup 14 into 100 and 4 tens. With the help of the number disk, we will regroup it. So these 10 tens are making 100. So it will go to the 100 side and we will carry forward 100 to the 100 column. And we have got the third step, which is add the hundreds. So 100 is carried forward, which will be added, then 0, 100 and then 3 hundreds. Altogether they are making 400. 4 Now step number 4 is add the thousands. We have 5 thousands and we have 0 more thousands. So 5 will remain same, 5 thousands. Here we have got the answer 5,447. Thank you so much class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.